फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने YouTube चैनल शॉर्ट हैंड बाबा में। मैं आपके लिए लाया हूँ 80 वर्ड पर मिनट की गति से शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट।
I am happy to be here today to inaugurate the Conference of Power Ministers of the States. This conference assumes importance in view of the fact that power shall play a defining role in India's socio-economic development in the 21st century. Our expanding industrial base, increasing agricultural demand, and galloping domestic requirement necessitate rapid enhancement of India's total power generation capacity. More importantly, we should bear in mind that power and energy production as well as management is crucial to our national security concerns. A country that is self sufficient in power and is not burdened by energy shortages is a secure country. If we look back at the performance of the power section in the past 50 years, we will find that the growth of this sector has been impressive. From a little over 1000 megawatts, our total production today has gone up to around 100,000 megawatts. This is no small achievement. However, despite this impressive growth, we continue to face power shortage. In the 8th plan period, we could achieve only a little above half the target we had set ourselves. In the 9th plan period, we are likely to add roughly two-thirds of the additional capacity we have targeted. The poor financial health of our state electricity boards, which do not have adequate private sector investment in the power sector, are largely responsible for this inability to meet targets. In order to meet the requirements of the opening decades of the new century, we have to add more than a lakh megawatts. During the 10th and 11th plans, to achieve this target, we would need around rupees 1 lakh crores. But the resources that are likely to be available would be about only a one third of that amount. Our government has listed the restructuring and reforming of the power sector as a priority initiative. We have already taken several measures in this regard. We have been emphasizing on the development of hydel power, especially by developing projects in the northeast that have immense potential. We are also committed to strengthening the national power grid and de-linking transmission and distribution from generation so that we can ensure both reliability and quality of power to customers. We need to take a hard look at the financial health of our electricity boards. Of the 20 state electricity boards, 18 have a negative rate of return.